What's up everyone, this is B-Boy Bugy from Retro Flow Hip Hop Fundamentals and Frequency Crew, and today you are watching episode 3 of the Breakologist Season 2. Whenever I feel like I'm not in a good shape or my transitioning moves are not coming out clean, I start to practice these type of moves. These are movements and exercises that would give you more control, more stability, and more confidence when you're trying to do different moves. As a b-boy or a b-girl, you definitely need to have more than just strength, right? You need to practice your form, you need to practice your musicality, you need to stretch, you do a lot of stuff, right, to be good. But strength definitely gives you an extra edge.
Drop the ultra shit, fuck the other shit. Ultimate, drop the ultra shit, fuck the other shit. This is hip hop. Ultimate, drop the ultra shit, fuck the other shit. Hip hop. Ultimate, drop the ultra shit, fuck the other shit. Hip hop, hip hop. Hip hop, hip hop.
Arrested for drug possession. One of your friends was just arrested for drug possession.
Voulez-vous continuer ou préférez-vous ranger vos affaires? Voulez-vous continuer?
You just saw were recorded at Retro Fitness in Kenhorst, PA. Make sure you check that gym out. It's definitely one of the best. So I hope you guys found my exercises useful. And before we wrap this up, I gotta give you 4 advices. Number 1, you can easily get injured while doing these. So make sure you warm up before you start your practice. Number 2, this is an upper body strength exercise. Okay, so don't forget to practice your lower body too. Don't forget to practice for your legs too. Very important. Number 3, don't forget to train your other aspects of breaking, like your footwork, your top rock, your freezes, your power moves. Okay, this is just conditioning. Number 4, be hungry for knowledge. Talk to different type of dancer, not just b-boys and b-girls. Talk to fitness professionals about how to get in a better shape. Talk to nutritionists about how to eat properly so you can recover properly. Talk to different type of people to get more knowledge and more information. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at bugy.rf on Instagram, or just send me a message on my YouTube page at the Breakologist. Peace out.